Hello everyone, this is Katharine Zhou from LIEBTY Machinery Technology Company, and I'm here in SANHE Warehouse in Shanghai. So today I want to introduce you one of our company most popular model, LIUGONG 4125D motor grader. Let's go. The motor grader behind us was ordered by my Mexico customer. And first, let's look at his powerful system. It's equipped with Cummins engine emission 2 and rated at 177 horsepower. And it pairs with ZF transmission 2, and which is 6-speed forward and 3-speed reverse transmission. And it can reach a top speed of 42 kilometers per hour, which can help you to move faster to finish your work. Next, it has a wide and strong working blade, which is 144 inch, and after that, 5-tooth rail ripper, which can easily break the hard soil and make ground easy to level. Then let's step into the operator's cabin, which is designed for comfort and safety, with low noise. Air conditioning comes standard. Operators can work safely and feel less tired for long hours. In short, the LIUGONG 4125D motor grader is a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use machine. And it's your best partner for road construction and all earth-moving projects. If you are interested in it, please contact my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.